So today, presentation of the manure spreaders, 8 models in the range, from 5 m body length for 13 cubic meters, up to 6.60 m for 20 cubic meters on single axle, and then there is a tandem axle model with a 7.30 m body length for 22 cubic meters. Here we have a 6118 model, so 6.10 m body length for an 18 cubic meters load capacity in the spreader. Rollforce manure spreaders have 2 possible body side heights, as seen here, 1.55 m or low sides at 1.23 m. All Rollforce manure spreaders are equipped as standard with a triangular drawbar with bolted eye, allowing for K80 coupling. The triangular drawbar is attached to the chassis here for great stability on slopes and is suspended either by mechanical springs as shown here, or by hydraulic cylinders. As standard, all manure spreaders are equipped with a hydraulic parking jack, with the pump integrated into the front panel of the spreader. Optionally, you can have the lift jack. The manure spreaders have a high-position hose carrier to avoid interference with the tractor's linkage, and they all feature this large vision canopy, here folded in transport position for delivery to customers. This large canopy protects the tractor cab from potential stone throwbacks. Rotor-molded front cover housing the trap door level indicator, since this model is equipped with a slurry gate. Below, we can find, this spreader is not equipped here, the intelligent electronic weighing system if the spreader is fitted with weighing equipment. You will also find the hydraulic power unit if the spreader is equipped with one. The entire hydraulic block as well as the filtration system, which is present on all spreaders, whether with a power unit or direct tractor connection. The centralized greasing system can also be housed here if the spreader has this equipment. Rolland manure spreaders are designed and manufactured using HLE, high yield strength, steel. At the front, angular reinforcements on the front panel provide support and high rigidity. Then there are the side reinforcements for the body structure and rigidity. And finally the top rail for impact resistance. On Rollforce manure spreaders, hydraulic hoses are mounted in 3 sections. Here you can see a bulkhead fitting at the front, then they pass through the chassis side members. Routing through the side members isolates them from corrosive material and prevents premature wear caused by the spread products. Under the rotor-molded front covers located on the left and right sides of the spreader, you will find the conveyor belt tensioning system, which allows retightening of the belt, and the conveyor belt tension indicator is located here on the side of the spreader. All Rollforce manure spreaders are equipped as standard with rotor-molded mudguards like this one. Here we have an ESP25 frame, which will be discussed in a future video. However, inside the body, all Rollforce manure spreaders are equipped as standard with a close bar floor chain, 40 by 60 tubular bars, marine chain with 16 mm diameter, and a molded scraper shoe that fits 7 cm inside the tubes. Conveyor drive system, here you have the left-hand drive gearbox, there is an identical one on the right side. This is a model with dual drive, which comes as standard on the 5 largest models in the Rollforce range. Here you will also find the greasing points for the shaft bearings, both left and right sides. On Rollforce manure spreaders, you will find standard dual LED lights, here and here on both sides. At the rear of the body, here is the decompression chamber. The body slightly widens at the rear to allow the conveyor belt to run freely and release the product more easily. The vertical beaters directly grab the product from the heap.